First of all, go to 000webhost.com login page. You can also log in with a Google account. After logging in, enter a name for your website. This would be a subdomain. For example, hello, I am a website.000webhost.com. Click Next. After that, click on Create a WordPress website. Set admin username as admin and the password also as admin for now. Don't worry, you can change it later. Click on Install. Wait for a few seconds. This might take a minute. Congrats! Your new site is ready. Click on the configuration button to go to admin panel of your site. Type admin in username and also admin in password box. Site backend will show up. You can customize your site from here. In the next tutorials, we will learn further more about these configurations. Till then, goodbye.